Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two VPN platform, which is ExpressVPN and private internet access VPN. So Express continued to shine with a fast speed, top tier security and an easy to use interface. It's great for streaming, torrenting and browsing privately on any devices. It has the servers in over 90 countries, reliable customer support, and a strict no-log policy, making it a favorite for users who want a smooth and a private experience online. And talking about private internet access, which is PIA, is also strong, offering a more customization option and thousands of servers. It's cheaper than ExpressVPN and appealing to tech-savvy users who want control over their settings. However, its speed can be slower at times and it may not unblock as many streaming platforms has ExpressVPN. And here's a viral conclusion: can go with ExpressVPN if you want a simplicity, speed, and reliable streaming. But on the other hand, you can choose PIA if you prefer more advanced settings and a budget-friendly price. And that's it. Let me know what you think about these two platforms in the comment section below. Thanks.